folks, this tech tip starts a month-long series on Google Sheets. If you're using forms with students, it's definitely a great idea for you to familiarize yourself with the possibilities of Google Sheets. So here with this form, if I go to my responses and I view in Sheets, I can see that I have all sorts of data from my students. Today's tip is going to focus on conditional formatting. So if I highlight a column and I want to color code or to better understand my students' data, I can go to conditional formatting. I can choose to make different cells appear in different colors based on their responses. So I can say if the text contains strongly agree, it can be green. I can add another rule here where if the text contains or is exactly agree, now I can make this yellow. And so as I'm scrolling through my student data, I can begin to color code and better understand how my students are performing or what feedback they're giving me. I can then also sort A to Z to organize that different information as well. So keep playing around with Google Sheets and stay tuned for the next tip.